Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and happy almost summer. It is almost summertime, so I have been prepping and getting ready because I'm so excited to be able to actually leave our house and do things this summer. We're gonna be going to the beach, to the lake. It's gonna be wild. So I thought I would share with you guys our Target haul because I stocked up on a few summer things. I will put all the links below in case you're interested in anything. Most of this stuff is like kids stuff, clothes for little boys, that kind of thing, and just in general summer stuff. So everything's linked below. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to let me know and hit that red subscribe button. I'm gonna be making tons more content about being a mom in the summertime, helpful hacks, things like that. So let's jump in with this giant thing behind me, and that is a pool. This is a hard plastic sided pool, like just like a kiddie paddling pool. I like that you don't have to like blow it up or do anything. It can get really dirty. You can just hose it down. This was $10 at Target, so I thought that was a pretty good buy. And I remember last summer, probably because everyone was at home, you could not get something like this anywhere. Like everywhere was sold out. So I saw this and I was like, let's just take this home. Okay, next up is towels. First I got 2 beach towels for the boys. I actually opened this one so you guys could see the pattern. It is a shark. There you go. So these are also $10 each, and they're a thin material. That's like a beach or a swim towel, but that's what I wanted because when my boys are going to camp, they have to go take it. They have to take a towel with them, and it has to, like, you know, fold up and go in their backpack. So I didn't want a big fluffy, you know, last forever kind of beach towel. I wanted one they could take to camp this summer, use it, abuse it, you know, enjoy it. So yes, $10 each. This is the Sun Squad beach towel. And I got 2 for both my boys. You'll notice in this haul, most things I got are 2 because I like to match them. Keeping up with the towel theme, I also got an adult towel, family towel. It looks like this. It's got this really gorgeous print on it. And I really love the colors of this. And then this side is like the terry cloth towel fabric, and this side is just smooth. So I thought that would be really good for the beach. Because you know how one side you like don't want the stand to stick to and the other you want to keep dry on, if that makes sense to anybody. So I thought those were really pretty. This was $20, a little bit higher price than I would have liked. But it does feel like a nice quality towel. It is a little bit on the thin side, but that's also what I wanted because when we're going to be schlepping all the stuff to the beach, I didn't want to be like weighed down by super heavy towels. Okay, also on that beach life theme, I got this lunchbox. So I realized that even though I have lunchboxes for my boys, I didn't have one for like the family or for me. So often when we go hiking, which we go almost every weekend, I like to pack snacks for the family. So instead of doing like individual lunches for everybody, I'll make like 3 peanut butter sandwiches, chop them up into pieces, grapes, and just put everything in one bag. But I didn't have a insulated bag like that. So I wanted a cute like mom lunchbox to use for the family and for the beach this summer. So this one was really cute. This was, I think, $12. It's got this antimicrobial, easy to clean kind of thing. Just open that. It's pretty big. They showed in the picture online of like how much fit in it, and it looked pretty good. So that should definitely be enough for like our lunches and snacks for the beach. Okay, next up, let's talk swimwear for little boys. These are both Cat and Jack. They were $10 each. I think they're so cute, this little island print. So I got one for each of the boys. Just swim trunks, easy. And then to go with that, to match, I got them each the, what's it called? The UVB protection long sleeve shirts. I know growing up when I was little, it was like so dorky to wear a swim shirt. Like it was unheard of. But these days, like everyone, boys, girls, everyone is wearing long sleeve, especially like if you're out at the beach all day kind of thing. It's just so much easier with little kids than having to slather sunscreen on them every 5 seconds. I mean, you still need sunscreen, but this just makes it so much easier. These ones are zip all the way, which is nice because when these kind of things get wet and like stick to the skin, they can be really hard to peel off and put over their heads and things like that. So I was really happy to find those. And these were also $10 each, I believe, or $11.99. And got those to match with this. And then as a second option, I also got these shirts. These are just pullover ones. They are also $11.99. I thought they were cute with their little shark print. So I got 2 of those as well, and I thought they could wear either with the plain turquoise, with their trunks, or with the shark. Okay, then sticking with kids for another sec, I just pulled this from the dollar spot. Busy Book Things That Go. We actually have a few of these kind of books from different brands, and they're like $10 or $15. This was only $3. So if you have a little truck lover or vehicle lover in your home, I thought this was a really good thing. My kids will just like look at this. There's no, I mean, there's words and that there's names for each of the different vehicles, but it's not like a story. But for $3, I love it. I try to get them new like little things to bring with when we're going on a vacation, because otherwise, I'm not trying to spoil them necessarily, although I love for them to be happy. But I don't know if your kids do this. So let's say we have like our set of Magnetiles. I have to bring the whole set if I'm gonna bring it. Like I can't just bring a few for them to play with on vacation. There's like, but I need the pink one that I always make this castle with. So I find it's easier to just buy a few little new things, like one little Lego set or something that's its own thing. That way they're not wanting the 100 other things that go with it when they play with it at home. And then last but not least, I also got some nicer clothes for my boys because we're going to be doing pictures at the beach this summer. So I'm gonna insert footage here of what I got because I've already put it away upstairs, but it's one for each boy, a green button-down shirt, as well as some like chino pants to go with it. And then I also got these blue short sleeve shirts. They were only $4 each, and I thought in case they didn't want to wear the button down, because the pants come with suspenders anyways, it could be really cute to just do a short sleeve shirt and suspenders. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see how those pictures turned out later this summer. Okay, then moving on to mom, I got a pair of shoes. I forget what technically this Target brand is called. A New Day, maybe? I thought these espadrilles were really cute. They even have a zipper at the front, which is a nice little detail, and they've got like little gold specks, which I thought was really pretty. So I was just looking for some summer nicer shoes to wear with the dress. I would actually say to size down or to check on these. I sized up. I was silly. I don't know why. I thought they'd be better. I need to size back to my regular size. Maybe they didn't have my regular size. I can't remember. I need to exchange these. I bought an 8 and I'm usually 7.5, and these were really big on me. So just a little warning, get your true size. And then a last one for Target, and I have one more thing to mention. I just got a pair of bathing suit bottoms, but I'm actually gonna return them. But they didn't, I don't know, they just weren't that flattering. They're supposed to be like high-waisted and cinching or whatever, but I don't even know why I mentioned it too because I didn't like it, but they have a ton of bathing suit tops and bottoms, inexpensive. So if you're looking, check it out. Okay, the last thing in this video I want to share is not from Target, it's from Amazon, but it is for the beach, and I thought I would lump it in. It's this beach bag. If you guys follow Jade Scott on Instagram, she always gives the best little things to buy like this. So this was $20 from Amazon. It's a beach bag. What I love about it is every single side. I think it's got 6 pockets on the outside, as well as a huge one inside, and then it's got a little like zipper change purse kind of thing at the top, which is so nice. So this is a great beach bag. One, it's lightweight. I have heavy beach bags. By the time you fill them up, I like can't even lift them. So this weighs nothing, and it's perforated. Is that the right word? So the sand doesn't stick in it. So if you're going to the beach and you have sand toys and things like that, you can just throw them in there. So I thought I would include it in my little summer haul. So that's it, just a quick fun video of things I got for the summer. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.